Hey guys, welcome back to class. It's me again, Mr. Timmy. I hope you enjoyed our last video on soil from last class. Today's topic will be agricultural marketing, and in this topic, I'll be expecting us to know the meaning of agricultural marketing, the importance of agricultural marketing, ways to market products, and also benefits of good marketing. Let's dive into this video. Firstly, what is agricultural marketing? Agricultural marketing means getting farm products to the final consumers. That is, advertising farm products once it gets harvested from the farm to get to the market. Then, after getting to the market, it gets to the final consumer. That is what agricultural marketing is all about. The importance of agricultural marketing is that farmers are able to sell their products to earn money and also to feed. When a product is being marketed in the market, the product gets the ability to get sold, and it's a two-way street because the farmer gets to get money, and also the person that came to buy also gets to get farm produce from the farmer directly. So it's a two-way street of two people getting something off of each other. We have three ways of marketing. We have direct selling, we have middleman marketing, and we also have cooperatives. Cooperatives, this is when farmers come together, maybe as a union or as a committee, to sell their product. At least they come together maybe to like get same price to sell their products for the consumer. Direct selling. Direct selling is when the farmer comes to the market directly by themselves with their goods to come and sell the market to the consumer by themselves. In that way, there is more profit in that because there is no middleman sales between them. It's what they plant and it's what they sell that they get the money of. Also, middleman selling. Middleman help farmers by connecting them to marketers to market. While cooperative allow farmers to join forces, share resources, and sell their products. So middleman marketing. This is when farmers tend to sell their goods to a trader. Then the trader pays them for the goods. Then the trader goes to the market to sell at his or her own price. That is why I said direct selling pays more than middleman selling or a cooperative selling. Other ways farmers can market their products is either coming online, that is called online marketing. That is a process whereby farmers come online to either display their goods via apps or on social media spaces. Benefits of agricultural marketing. Number one benefit is fair prices. Good agricultural marketing ensures that farmers receive fair prices for their products, allowing them to make a sustainable living and keep their business thriving. That is, whereby when a farmer goes by the direct selling to the customer, they get to sell their goods at a price at which they choose and a price that they feel is fair for them, and it's okay for them to make a profit over. Also, fresh products. Customers benefit from getting fresh produce directly from farmers, which enhances their food and quality and supports a healthy lifestyle. Whereby this is a process whereby when a customer goes to the market to get goods from the farmer directly, they tend to get more fresh goods than a product that they are getting from a retailer that is selling from maybe a 2 days old stock. It's different from what a farmer is going to sell for you because a farmer tends to sell you what is for that day. Also, it reduces waste. Efficient marketing practices helps in reducing waste of crops, ensuring that more produce reaches consumers and less more to landfills. That is, when you market your produce well, it helps in waste reduction of crops and it makes sure that your product gets to people at cheaper prices instead of it getting waste or rotting in the barn. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you in our next class. Bye. Ciao.